Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best reviews and insights on top products in the market. Today, we're diving into the world of outdoor relaxation with the Purple Leaf Outdoor Chaise Lounge set. If you're in the market for the best Chaise Lounge chairs outdoors, you've come to the right place. Let's start with why the Purple Leaf set stands out from the rest. Crafted with modern design in mind, these chaise lounges offer not only style but also durability and comfort. Made with a sturdy aluminum frame and featuring anti-skid thick legs, these lounges are built to withstand various weather conditions, ensuring they stay looking great for years to come. One of the standout features of this set is its versatility. With 5 adjustable positions, you can find the perfect angle to relax and unwind, whether you're enjoying a sunny day by the pool or lounging on your patio. But what truly sets the Purple Leaf Chaise Lounge apart is its premium materials. The fabric is made of UV-resistant, breathable textiline, paired with sponge filling for added comfort. Not only is it water-repellent and quick-drying, but it's also designed to withstand the harsh rays of the sun, ensuring you can enjoy the outdoors without worry. And let's talk about convenience. This set comes with not one, but 2 lounge chairs and a side table, making it perfect for sharing with a friend or loved one. Plus, with its lightweight design and 2 wheels, you can easily move the lounges around your outdoor space to find that perfect spot in the sun. But don't just take our word for it. Let's hear what others have to say about the Purple Leaf Outdoor Chaise Lounge set. Customers rave about the comfort, durability, and easy assembly of these chairs. From the sturdy construction to the attractive design, it's clear that the Purple Leaf set is a crowd favorite. Of course, no product is without its flaws. Some customers have reported issues with assembly and color fading over time. However, these seem to be isolated incidents, and overall, the feedback has been overwhelmingly positive. In conclusion, if you're in the market for the best chaise lounge chairs outdoors, look no further than the Purple Leaf Outdoor Chaise Lounge set. With its modern design, premium materials, and unbeatable comfort, it's sure to elevate your outdoor relaxation experience. That's all for today's review. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product reviews and recommendations. Until next time, happy lounging!